All right. Can you see everybody?
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Jeremy just called me.
Okay.
All right.
You ready, guys?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Good morning. It's the Locker Room. I'm Lochlin Cross.
James P. White.
Grant Johnson.
Yesterday on the show, Grant was talking about the fact that back in his youth, what were you, like 13 years old or something?
And a little older than that. But
He decided that Norwalk,
Norquay. What?
Norquay, all right. He decided that he wasn't going to sneeze anymore.
I don't sneeze. I gave it up years ago.
So we're going to test him. We're throwing pepper at him to see whether or not Grant.
Oh, I'm getting it.
Are you getting it? Keep going.
Yeah,
Keep
I'm
going.
afraid James is going to bop me in the nose.
And I brought this from home. I don't want to talk about why I have this.
No sneezing.
Okay. Keep going. Keep going. That's pepper.
Right there.
Nothing.
My arm's getting sore. Keep going. She's gonna start crying soon.
See? I told you. It's a special talent.
I don't know how much longer I want to keep doing this.
I'm enjoying it, personally.
Me neither.
I'm seasoned. Yeah, we can make him sneeze.
That didn't work.